So, Leon and Ruby Plays asked for me to make a video. So, today I'm gonna make a video about Rubik's Cube. Wait. I'm going to the clock and then I'm gonna go to stopwatch. Here you go. So, here's the Rubik's Cube. It's just an example solved. Yeah. Let's just do our algorithm. Up, left, down, right. So we're gonna repeat this again. Like this. Now the entire cube is solved. Wait, I'm gonna start the timer. 3, 2, 1. Wait, not yet. Stop. It's like this. See? Now the cube. Oh, that's 7 seconds. 41 milliseconds. So this cube is solved. And it's not twisted.
Bro,
It's really good.
wait. What if?
What?
What if I scramble the cube and you solve?
No. Okay, fine.
Fine. Come on now, bro.
Okay, fine. So, this is gonna wait to him. Bro, come on, hurry up.
Here we go. Wait.
No,
Come on.
I don't need timer. Okay,
3, 2, 1, go.
dang. Okay. No, wrong color, wrong color. Where's yellow and blue? There we go. What? Okay. Oh, the first layer is now solved. By the way, it's just a beginner solve, you know. Okay, now that's finished. We need to finish this white and blue. Damn. Right here. Yellow and green. It's time for blue and yellow. Here we go. That the second layer is done. We need to solve the top layer. So it starts with the dot clockwise. I'm gonna do my right algorithm. It made an L. I just need to avoid this to make L. Learn this too. Right algorithm here. So we're gonna find two colors that matched. Here we go, yellow and blue. Now we're gonna do our soon. Okay. All the corners are matched. Oh wait, no. It's not matched. I was wrong. Two corners are not solved. We're gonna do right algorithm. Here you go. And there you go. Solve the cube is now solved. I hope you enjoy. Leon and Ruby please.
Hindi, wag kasi.
They requested for a video, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
I hope
So,
you
by
guys,
the way,
okay. I hope you guys like and comment down below and
what's next? Yeah, you give us idea.
okay. But this is kinda complicated because it took us like a week to solve this and to figure out what.
I learned this from Cubehead, by the way.
Yeah, the credit is on the
Yeah, so it's time to say goodbye. Bye, guys.